What's up, creators? It's your boy Mad Mike. On today's episode, we're going to be painting my 2018 Dodge Charger Pursuit Sublime Green. So stay tuned, check it out. All right, guys and girls, here it is. 2018 Dodge Charger Pursuit, all-wheel drive. Got some Hellcat replica wheels, and today's video is going to be all about painting this car. I'm not going to talk about too much how to paint or how to set up your gun or anything like that. It's just going to be some video clips of me painting the car. I spent over a week prepping the vehicle for paint, doing a little bit of body work here and there, and we're finally at the point to start spraying it. And the last thing I want to do is get too in depth with everything. I just want to get it done, because last week when I painted all the wide body kit for it, oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, we're doing a wide body with Hemi hood scoop molded in. So here's all the painted pieces from last week. I was up till 11:30. We finally finished spraying them, and yeah, it was a long day doing all this stuff. But Sublime Green, single stage. There's the back bumper. Started putting some of the grills in. Single stage came out really good, super glossy. There's a front bumper and side skirts. So that's the color, and we are going to be laying that down on the Charger today. So that's it. Let's put the camera down. I'll get some clips here and there, add some music, and just enjoy the process. All right, ciao ciao. All right, guys and girls, welcome back to the Mad Lab. We got the Charger all masked up. Windows, wheels. Takes way longer than I always think it's going to take. All the trim, back bumper. I had some bodywork areas here on the trunk up there. All over down here. This is a cop car, so it did have a lot of dings and dents. But yeah, it's all masked up. So we're going to mix up the paint. We're here in Canada. $600 Canadian is what this Sublime Green paint. Code Chrysler Sublime FFB PFB is the code. And this was $600 for everything you see here, minus the wax and grease remover. So we got the paint, which is a urethane single stage paint. So there's no base clear. It's one coat, or sorry, 3 coats, 2 coats, and that's it, no clear coat. This goes on really good, so a lot of times you don't need to have primer on the car. So if you're doing a paint job like this on a car that's multiple colors, a single stage urethane is a good way to go. Mixing cups, and then for this you need the reducer and the hardener. So this is a mix ratio of 4 to 1 to 1. So 4 parts paint, and then you'll have 1 part your reducer and 1 part your hardener. This is a wax and grease remover. So I'm going to wipe down the whole car right now with that. And then just some lacquer thinner to clean out your gun. I'm using a 1.4 tip. And I got the fan wide open. I'm running about 25 to 30 PSI. And I got a big bad boy compressor, so I'm not worried about air anymore. That used to be a problem. But now that I got this big 6.5 horsepower, 80-gallon tank, it's been amazing. It comes on only like 3 times when I'm doing the paint job, and if I do 3 coats, that's not that often. So stoked. There's a lot of work to get to this point, but I am ready to lay down some lime green Sublime onto this Charger Pursuit. It's a nice hot day out. It's about 20 degrees in the sun, so just letting the garage warm up. I'm gonna close the doors, wipe it all down with a wax and grease remover, and start spraying. It's finally time to spray the car. I'll give you guys and girls a quick tour of the Mad Lab, show you what I did to make a makeshift spray booth. But on the outside here, you can see I got 2 fans and the rest is blocked off. I got one of the windows open on the far side to let fresh air in. We got a paint suit, we got a mask. Safety first, let's do a little tour. Give you a quick tour. Over here we got the mixing station. We got all our paint ready, our mask, our gun has been cleaned. Again, we're using a 1.4 tip. Everything's ready. I got more than enough material. So double check everything before you start doing your paint job. Make sure you got enough material. The car is all masked off. Wheels, windshield, you name it. We've got this little spray booth built in here. Just masked off all the way around. The ceiling is exposed still, but the overspray from this isn't that bad. I got the whole car wax and grease removed, nice and clean with a microfiber cloth. Compressor, gun is set to about 27 psi. We're ready to mix up some paint, laying down some Sublime on the Charger. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get of me spraying the car. I might just come in afterwards and get a glimpse of the first, second, third coat. So yeah, let's get after it. Sublime time. There's a second coat. It's turning out really nice. It's laying down really flat, really shiny. Gonna go ahead and do a third coat now. Pretty happy with it. The gun's been working good, but it shot a little piece of dirt out right there. Backside looks great. Gonna lay it down really wet on the third and final coat. And it shot out another piece of crap right there. I don't know if I should pick it out or if I should leave it and get it out later. I think I'm just gonna leave. No, you know what? I should try to get that out. It's looking good though. Sublime green. Looks really yellow on camera right here. Stoked. Can't wait to finish it all up. Roof looks really good. All right, it's time to lay down third and final coat. Well, creators, it's day 2, the next day, and the car's all painted. We got 3 coats of paint on the Charger, so it's time to start unmasking it, get all the paper and tape off before it sticks to it too good. I am super pumped. We have a Sublime green Dodge Charger Pursuit with a painted wide body to match, so next week I'll be able to throw the wide body on. Let's do a quick tour of the car and start unmasking it. Boom. 3 coats of single stage urethane paint. Laid down super nice. I finished around 8 p.m. last night, and some bugs started to fly in as I was shutting off the fans. I had some moths and whatnot too flying in here, so that wasn't cool, but we don't have a lot of dirt in the paint. It came out super smooth for a single stage. Super happy with it. For $600 for all the paint, this paint's gonna last too. We're up here in Canada, so I'll be driving this all winter long. And it's going to see snow, salt, and you name it, all the elements. So this paint's going to hold up hopefully pretty nice and tough. You can see a little bug there. Poor little bug. But yeah, it's time to start peeling off all this paper. Let's get after it. Pull it outside in the sun. Boom, and just like that, we got it all unmasked. Got all the paper off, all the tape off, a little bit of bleed through here and there, right about there, but that's all gonna get repainted black anyways. I think we're about ready to pull the car out. Do another little walk around while it's inside the Mad Lab here. Super happy with the way that everything turned out. A little bit of orange peel on it, but with a single stage paint job, DIY at home. That's bound to happen. Could always wet sand this down and put a clear coat on it next summer or springtime, but I'm just gonna drive it like this. It's a beater car, really. It's an ex-cop car. It looks so different in all kinds of light. But yeah, it's an ex-cop car, and I'm not too worried about beating this car up. It's got 230,000 kilometers on it, so it runs good still, but yeah, not terribly worried about getting some scratches on it. Let's go ahead, fire it up, pull it outside, have a good look at it in the sun. All right, just pulled the Charger out of the Mad Lab. Looks freaking amazing. Super stoked on it. It's got no exhaust on it right now. It's all factory exhaust. Muffler resonators are still in place. So I'm gonna be cutting out all that stuff soon. Gonna throw the wide body kit on first, get it all dialed in. Got some cool stuff to add to it. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. A lot of guys have done it, but I got Pursuit badges for the fenders, for the tailgate, and for the grill. Gonna throw all that stuff on, and then I'll do some more engine and exhaust modifications. Turned out super nice. It's gonna look super clean with the emblems all put back in place. Leave a comment below. What do you guys think? Not bad for 600 bucks and DIY in my home garage. You see the sun hitting it right there. There is pearl in this paint. It is a modern Chrysler FFB PFB paint code. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle or not, but it's there. This week I'll be polishing the headlights before I put the bumpers back on. They're all sandblasted. You can still see the police siren, and I got some LED lights, flasher lights that were part of the Pursuit package. Might get the little control board so I can do that and that boop, but we'll see. V8 Hemi. Stoked, man. It's been a busy 2 weeks of painting, prepping. The painting is the easy part. It's all the sanding and masking and all the prep work to get it to the paint job. All right, that's gonna be it, guys and girls. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.